What is up, you guys? Welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So we are finally in the month of December and I am so excited, guys. All the cool events are coming, as in Christmas and New Year's, and I want to pop out a couple of look for you guys. I wanted to start off this December with something elegant and simple for everybody that does not like to wear a lot of makeup. You don't have time, you might be cooking or something, but you still want to look glam and elegant and pretty. This one is for you guys. Also, I am not wearing false lashes because me personally, I love my own lashes. I know I have posted a lot of looks with false lashes, but this one is for people that do not like to wear false lashes. You gotta embrace your own lashes, you know what I mean? So I will come closer. It's really simple. It's on the neutral tones and I love how this turned out. I do give you two lip options. Later in the video you will see the other one. But yeah, this is something that I would wear either for New Year's or for Christmas, and I hope you guys like it. So without further ado, guys, let's jump right in. To prime my eyelids, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light. I'm making sure I'm applying a good amount on my eye, and then I'm going to be blending this out with the Morphe brush. I'm going to take this other Morphe brush to make sure that my eyebrows are really carved from the bottom. The star of the show will be the Jawbreaker palette. I love this palette, guys. Enjoy me dancing. I got issues. And we're only going to be using 4 shades. I'm only showing you 3 here, but at the end I ended up using 4. I'm going to start off with this Morphe brush, and I'm going to take the Bone Beige shade, and I'm going to apply this on my crease in tapping motions first, and then blending it out. Taking that beige shade and applying a little bit of the brown this time, I'm going to apply these shades on the crease, tapping in the product, and then blending out. Taking this clean brush, I like to go back in and blend everything out. I feel like this helps out a lot and it makes everything look softer. Taking that dark brown again, I'm going to start intensifying the outer corner of my eye. So again, tapping in the product, then working it or blending it out. I'm going to take this on my crease as well, only about 2/3 of the way in. Taking that brown shade and a smaller Morphe brush, I'm going to start deepening up the outer corner even more, because as you can see on the other eye, it is deeper than what I have it right now. I want it at least about a shade to a shade and a half darker, so that's what I'm doing now, applying more product, blending it out. I wanted to clean up the inner corner or the inner part of my lid a little bit more, so I went ahead and I cut it a little bit, nothing crazy. I just wanted to clean it up a little bit. I used the LA Girl Concealer in the shade Porcelain, and then I took the Morphe brush and I tapped in the concealer, and for the outer part where the concealer meets the eyeshadow, the dark eyeshadow, I made sure that I tapped in the concealer. Taking this e.l.f. brush, I'm going to take that beige shade and start applying it in the center of my lid, packing on the product, and as you can see, I left a little space in between the brown and the beige shade. Going back with the brown and the beige, I'm going to incorporate both of these colors so it could be a seamless transition. Taking that white shade, I'm going to apply this in the inner corner. Make sure that this color is really vibrant. I want it to stand out. I applied it about 3 to 4 times, guys. Make sure it's present in the look. And again, to blend out the yellow and the white shade, I went ahead and I mixed both colors and I applied it in between for a seamless transition. Now it's time to curl the lashes. You want to do this step for about a minute or so. Trust me, guys, it is worth it. At the end, they look so beautiful and lifted. Plus, we're not wearing falsies, so keep that in mind. I'm going to apply a lengthening mascara. It's going to be this white one. I'm making sure I apply an even coat throughout my whole lashes. And while this dries a little bit, I'm going to work on my lower lash line. I'm going to apply the same colors I applied on top on the bottom. Time to apply some mascara. I'm going to be applying this L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara, and I always get it on my lid. That's nothing new. I'm going to apply about 5 coats, guys. Let each coat dry and then apply another one and another one and another one. And applying mascara on the bottom lashes as well. So now moving on to the lips, I do have two options for you guys. This is from e.l.f. I believe it's called the Ride or Die. The shade will be linked in the description box below. This shade is so universal, it's so beautiful, it goes with any look and any skin tone, so that's how she looks. Beautiful. Now the next one is going to be a simple gloss. This is from Kiss. I am highly obsessed with this stuff. It smells so good and it leaves your lips looking plump and juicy and beautiful. And that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I will have other content, full glam content, a lot of cooking videos. Be on the lookout for that because I have a lot of good cooking videos coming out this month for the holidays. So I really hope you guys are excited because I'm very excited to be filming these videos for you guys. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and do it. I'll leave it around here so you can go ahead and follow me there as well. I will see you in my next video and bye for now, guys. Live open,